and welcome to my channel Fairy Beauty Corner, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this. So the main centerpiece is this, but I put this furry cloth and this Christmas decoration for a better look, and a few candles, and then this is from my previous year, and even this is from my previous year. So I have put in the links down in the description box below. And yeah, and it's all out of waste, like aluminium foil, tea bag, branches, a few pieces of card, so it's all recycled. And yes, so hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share, and please give it a full view. So yes, thank you. So guys, we are taking aluminium foil and going to be folding it and making it into a little slider. As you can see, like, we're going to fold it in that way, like so. And you have to do it really carefully because it's aluminium foil. It might also break apart. You can take any circular object and wrap it around, and wrap the aluminium foil around it. So it's like really easy. So now we're going to take our aluminium strips and going to wrap it around the dry branches of the trees, and please don't pluck it, and if you find any branches fallen down, so you could take it. So we are using a tea bag over here. So I just bought tea, and then I like the bag, so I just saved it for this DIY. So you have to cut it, and well, I cut out one leaf and then took a measurement of it and cut the other leaves in the same way, like so. And I chose it because it will be better and it looks nice. And you have to, and after the leaves are done, you can fold it like so to make the veins of the leaf. It turns out really good. It gives a good effect to the leaves as if they are real, and makes that veins effect. So and well, I stick these flowers. So guys, we used aluminium foil and made this circle, and then we have these leaves which we made. I'm gonna stick it like so. Make a flower out of aluminium. Strong. We have put in glue and also tape on this. So now we're going to wrap this like so. And then get it a lot neater because it's really easy to get creases. Now we're just gonna cut the extras. Like so. I'm gonna make that candle melting effect. First we're going to put in some glue. This is fabric glue or any strong glue or any sort of glue which you trust. I'm just going to put that melting effect. Guys, the 2 rolls are ready, as you can see. Sorry about the glaring. The way we made these golden flowers, the same way we cut out leaves from aluminium foil and made some flowers. And we just made some balls out of aluminium. Like so. We're taking and cutting out.
Different size. Small.
It could be small, big. You don't need to worry about that. That's so easy to it. Let's compare the one. See how simple. Ta-da. So, and this is extra piece of cardboard and put it on one paper. Now we have to cover it with aluminium. If you want to stick some some bottle caps below it to make it a little bit higher. So you can do that, but I didn't. So yeah. Now we are covering our cardboard with aluminium foil. Actually, aluminum foil is really easy to handle because it can just fold and stay there strongly. So that's a really big plus point of aluminum foil.
This is ready.
And it's ready. And then we have this sort of a box I had. I just took it like some cookie box and then I decorated that. And then I'm decorating it with aluminum foil to match the theme. Now you can stick out the pink paper and just become an complete aquarium. Just finish with that pink paper out if it's uncomfortable for you. Pen or whatever box with aluminum foil. Aluminum foil has many plus points, so that's why it really helps sometimes.
Quick and easy. Easy.
Yeah, it's like easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Now it's ready.
Yes, it's ready. It's place it over there. I'm gonna fill this use like some sort of beads. Actually, we try to find stones, so instead we found these. And I like. Now we're gonna stick these candle holders onto this place, and yes, we filled this with these beads. So I like the coppery shade. It adds a good effect. Plus, it makes the box, or whatever you want to call the container, heavier. So it really helps to stable it out and to put the things inside it. Plus to give a really good support to the things outside. So we're using strong glue and twist it.
Next also same.
In the same way with the other one. Guys, this container we are using it to give support to our flowers, plus to our these branches here. Let's start sticking our flowers on. Okay guys, so actually this is like a little glisten or a little loose paper or slippery paper, because of which after sticking I had to hold it for a little while, after which it becomes stick. But as you can see, for aluminum foil, do not have to. It's because it's rough and tough, and it's sort of really cooperative. Like, it's really easy to mold into shape and stuff. So now we're going to put in our sticks, our branches. So these beads help it to stay good. To stay put. So I just love it, love the effect. Any stick or any burns is too big, just break it down. Like so. Or you might want to use scissors. Yeah. Replace the balls. Oh yeah, sticker, obviously. Looks so nice.
So this is final look. Centerpiece is ready. This is fluffy cloth.
So guys, our craft is ready, and that bottle over there, that's our old craft. And even that deer thingy, that was our last year craft. And these two Christmas trees also were our last year craft. So, and I am really happy, and I'm like so satisfied with the, and let's just see the lights off. It's gonna look awesome, because I was like, as soon as I just put these small fairy lights, I was like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. And it looks a lot more beautiful in real life. I just love the effect. And in the floor over there, it looks like there are fireflies, so I just love it. And you must be thinking, what is this thing? This is a mystery for the next video. So it's so beautiful and I love it. So yeah.